I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing the GoGo Elite Traveller 2 Platinum Edition, so stay tuned. We're here with the GoGo Elite Traveller 2 Platinum Edition. This has a couple upgrades that are a little different than the original Elite Traveller 2 that was released about a year ago. So unboxing should be really similar. Before we get to the unboxing, go ahead and like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And then links to this product will be in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. So let's get started here. It's going to arrive on a pallet just like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a knife. I'm going to cut these straps off. And then carefully, we're going to cut the tape that's running down the length of the box. Do not cut into your product. Here we go. Then up top here, we have our battery charger. Then we also have our seat post. Back here, we have our front basket, and it also has our colored shrouds. When you order this unit, it's going to come in black and red. So you have both the black shrouds, which I think are pre-installed, and you can just pop them out and stick the red on if you prefer that color. The other colors are an upcharge. And sitting on top, I also have our battery pack. And I'm pretty sure there's two different battery pack sizes, the 18 amps being an upgrade. Then sitting up top here also is our arms. And our other arm here. And also sitting on the side, we have our owner's manual. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut the box so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. I'm going to grab my knife. Again, check your corners before you do this. I'm going to slice the four corners of the box. Make sure that there is nothing in the way. You don't want to cut into your scooter. So now you can see the scooter here. So the seat is sitting on top of the scooter. We have to move the tiller out of the way. So one of the upgrades that this unit has compared to the other Elite Traveller is this, the tiller adjust is actually right here. It's a little lever. We're going to pull that towards you and that releases the tiller. So that's nice. You can operate that with your foot or with your hand. It's better than the one you have to unscrew. So now our seats here, I'll go ahead and remove this. Then what I'm going to do now, in the back there's a yellow lever with a little lock and unlock symbol. It's in the lock position, which is the drive position, but I want to push this off the pallet. So I'm going to stick it into neutral, which is unlock. That way I can roll the scooter around and I'm going to wheel it right off the pallet. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a moment to clean up, then we will get to the assembly of the scooter. I got everything unboxed now. This is everything that it comes with. We got our scooter here. It comes with our seat, owner's manual. There's our seat post down there, our two arms, our magnetic charger. And keep in mind, this charger is different on this unit because this is the Platinum Edition. That charger will not work on other scooters. It'll only work on this one. Our front basket with our extra shrouds, and then our batteries. So I'm going to start by showing you how to mount the seat post. So our seat post is going to mount in here. You want to do this before you add the batteries. And we just have a little safety pin right here. You can set this to different heights. So if you want it to set up a little taller, you can set it down here, a little shorter over here. And there's actually two more heights on this side. So you'll line it up, and there's a little hole on the side, and you'll slide your pin through. There's no correct direction. The seat locks at every 45 degrees no matter what. So there isn't really a front and back on this. So that's installed. Now that that's in, I'll stick our battery pack in. It just kind of sits in there. Just like that. You heard it kind of click in. You want to make sure it is seated in there. If it's not fully seated, you probably won't get power on your unit. Now I'm going to mount the seat. Seat right here. This post just goes right in. Just like that. You don't have to pull any lever or anything. It just drops straight in. There is a lever on the side. You pull that up. You can rotate the seat and it will lock, like I said, every 45 degrees. So that way if you transfer from the side, you can go that way. So I'll set this forward. Now I'll grab our basket. The front basket just slides right onto this bracket here. There we go. And I'll just go ahead and stick our owner's manual in there too. Now we're going to get to the arms. Now we're installing the arms. The arms are going to slide right into here. You want to make sure that this screw is loosened so it's not in the way. And then we're going to take this pin out. Again, there's different adjustments, so you can bring the arms in closer or further away. And then you'll just line it up and stick your pin in. I'm going to go as close in as I can, just so you get the most amount of, or the least amount of width on the scooter so you can go through doorways and stuff, but you can bring it out. And then once it's there, see how it's wiggling? We're going to tighten this. So that's one arm installed, and we would just install the other arm the same way. Now that the scooter is assembled, we're going to see if we have any power. We're going to grab our keys. The keys are in your owner's manual. I'm going to stick it in the ignition right up here on the display. Turn it to the right. And if you hear that sound, that beeping sound, that means that we're in neutral. So remember when we flipped it in neutral to get it off the pallet? That means we're still in neutral. See how the scooter can roll? So what we want to make sure we do is go back to the back here. Put that lever in the lock position that engages your brakes. That way the scooter can drive. You want the brakes engaged. It will not drive in the freewheel position. Turn the power on. No beeping. And the scooter drives. And then just a quick overview of the new features on this unit. We have the adjustable tiller is right here. You push that forward, your tiller can go up and down. That's nice because you can also use your foot to do it. You don't have to reach down and grab those interlocking teeth like on the other model. This one also has the easy turn technology where the wheels, even though it's a four-wheel, they'll go almost at 180 degrees. So it has a very small turning radius, as you can see. The last one is a charging port. It has a magnetic charging port. I'll show you what that is. So your charging port is right here. You might notice it looks a little different than other mobility scooters. That's because it's magnetic. This is the other end of your charger. All you have to do is line it up. It'll snap right in. You'll see a little light telling you that it's charging. When you're done, just pull it right out. So very easy. You don't have to line up any pins or aim it just the right way. Just line it up and it snaps right in. This has been the unboxing and assembly of the GoGo Elite Traveller 2. This is the Platinum Edition with all the new features that we went over. If you like this unit, I have a link in the description. And we're also going to have a full review and a short review on this product. So if you want all the specs and everything that it does, go ahead and check those out. I'm going to link those in the description as well. Or you can visit our website at marcsmobility.com to get all the information you need or any pricing on this unit. Once again, thank you for watching. We hope you have a great day.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.